Hello, your Palmistry Tarot card this week is the 10 of Water, and I've been talking about this in some other videos if you're interested in learning more about the meaning behind this card, but I wanted to point out the palmistry aspect of it today, and it is located in your Apollo finger. We call this the party zone, which is the lower phalange of Apollo. So Apollo, your ring finger, represents how you show yourself to the world. And when this lower phalange is prominent, meaning that it's large or it bulges out, or it has vertical lines that run through that phalange, that will give, all of those things will give it strength. And if your party zone is strong, it's an indication that you need to be seen. You need to be the one out on stage. You need to be the one who is the center of attention at the party. That's why it got the name Party Zone. It is showing that you crave appreciation and you value others' opinions of yourself. So neither good nor bad, this is simply a palmistry indicator, and you can find it in your party zone. Check out your own party zone and let me know what yours looks like, and I want to know in the comments if yours is big or small. So thank you so much and have a beautiful day. Until next time, I'm Cynthia Clark with Ascension17.com.